What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Exness trading platform and its different features. Exness is one of the best trading platform that you can find, and it's user friendly and you can do whatever trading steps you want with it with ease. So let's get right to the tutorial. First of all, the sign up process is pretty similar. I signed up by entering my email, my password, and like my country, and it gave me the option to choose between a demo account, which I'm currently using, and a real account, which you can use to if you are an expert or you have enough knowledge to do trading with real money, with your own money. However, for this tutorial, I'm using a demo account, as you can see, with $10,000. So first of all, here you have different tabs for different tradings. So here, Euro to USD, Pounds to USD, Bitcoins, and so on. And you can add new tabs here. You can choose what you want to view, trade. So BTC, Apple, crude oil, and so much more. And you can here view your favorites and also view them by category. So if I choose like majors, for example, you can view here the currencies. If I choose like stocks, you can view here the different companies like Adobe, Apple, and Amazon, and so much more. So here, let's go and review the tabs. Here I have the stocks here at the right, at the left, and I can change the view. I can view the title view, and I can also minimize them. And here, for each symbol or for each like company, you can view the signal, the bid, the ask, and the chart, the change. Now let's close these tabs pretty quickly to get a better view. And here, for each trade, you get like the curve, okay, on an hourly base. You can view here by minute or 5 minutes, every like 5 minutes, or you can view by hour or 4 hours. So let's keep it like in 30 minutes just to show you. And here I can grab here to move the curve to view the past and move forward. Okay, and I can also, like, if you have like a MacBook or a touch screen, you can pinch to zoom or press and hold the command key while scrolling here, while zooming. Here I can view the time. Also, as I told you, I can change the line style, so bars, candles, hollow candles, columns, and lines, and other types. So here you also have the lines and drawing options. You can have a cross as the type of your mouse. You can have a dot, an arrow, and an eraser. So here you can draw a line. I can here draw a line. I can choose a trend line, an arrow, array, info line, and so on. So if I choose like an arrow, I can point from point to a point here, and I can also change the line color. Let's make it red, for example, or green, since it's going up. I can change the line width, so it's a wider line. I can delete it. I can also see here the different settings: visual order, visibility, clone, copy, lock, hide, and remove. And here I have the brush tool, highlight, rectangle, circle, ellipse. So I can basically draw shapes. Let's highlight this area, for example. Here you can add also text, you can add a pattern, and you can long positions, and you can also lock whatever you draw. You can use a magnet, and you can delete or remove all the drawing. So if I remove the drawing, it'll remove the arrow that I drew. And so here I have the amount which is in my demo account. I can view here the balance, the equity, the margin, free margin, and the margin level. Of course, I haven't done any operations yet on this account. Here I can view the open operation or orders. I can view the pending and closed orders. I can also minimize this part to get a better view of the curve. And here on the right, I have the sell and buy to close the deals. Now, let's say I can here click on deposit to deposit money into my account. And now here, as you can see, I don't have any options, or I cannot like buy or sell because the market, they say the market is closed and it'll open in 3 hours and 34 minutes. So when it opens, I can like choose an operation from here, and I can like buy and sell. I can edit the loss, so I can like set it to $500 or $1,000 or whatever the amount that I need. And I can set like a closing or a loss threshold and a win threshold, and I can close the deal. So the deals will appear here. I have open, I have pending, I have closed deals. And in here, I can take like a snapshot of the current curve. I can save it. And this icon, I have the alerts. So I can set different alerts for different price movements. So if I click on new alert, I can set the alert when the prices like reaches like 0.7, for example, for this specific trade. Here I can set a bid price for ask price or bid price, and I can set an expiration day. So let's say it expires in 14 days, and if it's a recurring alert or like a one time, and let's add it, and the alert is now added, as you can see here. And now what I can also do is to view like the one-click trading. So the one-click trading here, I can view or can select this option to activate it for order placement. And here, by enabling this mode, you understand your market limit order and submit it. So basically, you do not need to to open this mode unless you are like expert enough with the trading operations. However, it's an option and it's there if you want to do. I can here view the full open order form, as I told you. So let's here proceed. Okay, I can view the one-click trading. Of course, the market is closed in, so I cannot show you what I can. So basically, you can choose from here, and you can here have the sell and the buy buttons, and you can set an order if you want to. Let's go back to the full open order form, which I can set pending and task profit and stop loss. And in here, I can view my personal information for my account. I can reach support, I can suggest a feature, and I can sign out. And if I click here in the rectangle area, I can view my personal area for my account. I can view the Exness terminal, I can view the public website and partnership. So if I click on personal area, it'll open up in a new tab where I can view like my personal information and so on. And yes, that's basically it. I can like view for each category, like metals, for example, and I can add any trade to my favorites. Let's add these to my favorites, for example. And here, as you can see in the list, I have the favorites at the top. If I click on favorites, I can view all my favorites here. I can unfavorite any of them, and I can view all the tradings right here in a list if I want to. However, if I want to declutter the view, I need to like choose a category like crypto, stocks, energy, exotic, and so on. So that was like a quick overview tutorial of the Exness trading platform and its different features.